The doctor I work with is presently Jason Moskowitz. And when I moved here to Newport Beach, I was very fearful, for I had to leave Dr. Mao in Santa Monica. But they had just opened up this office here. And I met with Jason, and he is so caring and so wonderful. And I think of all the times I have hobbled into this office and I have walked out pain-free. He is amazing. He's given me help on my diets. He treats my sinuses. He treats my vertigo, all these little things that I get. He has treated everything, and he's become my first line in medicine. I no longer go to a medical doctor first. What initially brought me to Tao of Wellness was the fact that I was diagnosed with colon cancer, and I was on chemotherapy, and I was experiencing so many different side effects. I had horrible neuropathy through my chemotherapy, and it got worse later on. About a year and a half ago, I went to a podiatrist who gave me a shot of cortisone into my foot. Months later, I'm seeing all of these orthopedists for my hip and my back problems, and I was told that my foot problems and my hip and back were tied in all with neuropathy, and I should have cortisone treatments as well as being put on a very strong medication. Well, the strong medication did make my toes so much better, but it took away my capacity to think and to handle life. I got my first speeding ticket in 20 years. My blood pressure went up from the cortisone. My sugar levels went up from the cortisone. And my daughter, who's a physician, begged me to go off of all medication and to stop with any more cortisone treatments. And so Jason became my sole person who I would go to for all of these things. And I did far better with him, with absolutely no side effects. My experience at Tao of Wellness has been unbelievable. After my first diagnosis, I was later diagnosed with stage 4 colon cancer, and there was no chemotherapy that would work on my cancer. I put my body into the hands of the experts at the Tao of Wellness, and I am now 3 3/4 years without cancer, and I attribute my wellness to the practitioners at Tao of Wellness, and having done qigong, and I don't know what else could have cured me. And I developed many other problems in the past year and a half, and each one has been completely remediated by the different treatments that I have done here. I have had acupuncture. I've had acupuncture with electrical stimulation. I've had tween massage, and I've had cupping. And I cannot believe that I, who really don't put my faith into things easily, have become such an advocate of acupuncture as not a last resort, but a first resort. And I can't think of life without acupuncture anymore.